Have you ever wondered how close AirPods are to AirPod clones? Well, today we're going to be doing it in this video. Alright, so right here we have the clones, and these are the real ones. This one I had for some time, so that's why it's a little bit less white, but as you can see, they are very similar. One major thing is from the case, it doesn't say designed by Apple on the fake one, but is very similar. Like if that was there and you just had your thumb over it or something, you would never ever be able to tell the difference. Opening up the cover, as you can see, you have the Airpods and has green light. This one does not have green light. So that's one major thing as well. The second is this one is heavier. This one's super light. These ones, here I'll show you, flash when you take them out. The AirPods do not flash when you take them out. Okay, they connected to my phone on accident and it ended the video. But AirPods don't have flashing lights, obviously. The fake ones do. So we're going to always have the fake ones on the left and the real ones on the right. So to turn these off, these ones are really finicky. They have the touch sensitive buttons and stuff. If it will turn off. There we go. So they're both turned off. They're very, very light compared to the real ones. So as you can see, they copied similar to the real ones. The real ones don't have two prongs. This one only has one. The dots, kind of similar on the front. This little sensor is skinnier. Right here, you're missing a dot. It's moved over. This part's moved over. The grill is very, very, very obvious that they're fake. It just looks cheaper. The sensor right there is, or the microphone is moved down. And there's no writing for left and right. As you can see, this one has left. So that's one really, really, but it's really close. Like if you were just to put these in your ears, no one will tell the difference because they're very similar size, as you can see, very similar. Obviously these ones are a little bit wider than these ones because the real ones, I've had them for a while, like I said, and they really didn't match up. So today is New Year's Eve, and I'm going to be going to a party right now, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Also, the hinge, very clicky, so yeah, the magnet isn't strong as well. So thank you for watching. They do not sound good at all, and I'll see you guys in the next one.